just love cars, man. I mean, there ain't nothing I don't love.
Now, Ron was telling me you have Ford GTs.
Yeah.
Is it just the GT, or is it something else? Or is it...
Ford GT40.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the color on it?
White with blue stripes. I'll bring it up next week.
White with blue stripes. I've seen a white one with blue stripes before, but I don't.
Let's hit this. That puts it in drag mode.
Now the GT40 street legal, or is it?
Yeah.
Is it? That's cool.
There we go. Now we're all in drag mode right now. See how much louder it is?
Yeah, that's.
Okay, give me a second. So I'm in a Demon. This is number 1551, as in 1551. So here's a little acceleration. It pulls. Holy fuck. Wow.
That is unbelievable.
Holy shit.
It's ridiculous.
And you probably weren't even halfway down the throttle, were you?
No.
Yeah.
That was like...
So currently this has 34 miles.
Yeah, 34 miles.
Here we go. Wow.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck. That pulls.
Yeah.
And that exhaust, you can't beat that noise.
Oh my god. Wow.
Now, have you thought of? Cause I know like Course Performance does like prototype exhaust. You ever thought of doing something like that to this car? Or do you like?
Nah, I like it stock. I'm one about keeping them stock.
Yeah.
That is absolutely fucking nuts.
It is nuts because like I've ridden in the Hellcats before and it's nothing like a Hellcat.
The Hellcat is nothing. The Hellcat would never be the same.
It's almost like a Prius compared to this thing.
Yeah, this thing is fast.
God.
Post that on YouTube. I'd like to, and let me know what you put it under so I can check it out.
Of course.
You'll go viral probably.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that'll go viral. It should.
I'm absolutely speechless, honestly.
Yeah, you can.
But this is the owner who owns it. So thank you again.
You're welcome, man. Thank you.